Ever find yourself drowning in hours of audio or video recordings, desperately needing to extract specific information or moments? Yeah, I know this is a common headache for creators and editors alike. Especially, transcribing these recordings manually was time-consuming and error-prone, while navigating through them to find key points felt like searching for a needle in a haystack. Now, suppose you are a person who always needs to extract valuable information from video and text-formatted resources. To do that, of course, you need a tool that has to be the game changer for you to streamline the workflow efficiently, and thus helping you to concentrate on the other points that truly matter. Introducing the Descript AI, any modern user of technology will be grappled with laborious manual transcription, draining time and energy. It emerges as a transformative force, swiftly transcribing audio to text easily. Additionally, its intuitive interface simplifies navigation and eventually rescues creators from the labyrinth of recordings. These are the most common and favorable features of Descript AI, but due to familiarization and efficient utilization of its resources purposes, we will delve into the various points regarding how to use it and what are the major precautions you need to be aware of while applying it to your work. Introduction to Descript AI. Descript AI, a groundbreaking platform revolutionizing the realm of audio and video editing. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, Descript AI simplifies the editing process by seamlessly transcribing audio to text, eliminating the need for manual transcription. Its intuitive interface empowers creators to navigate recordings effortlessly, unlocking boundless creative potential. Descript AI isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for innovation, redefining the editing landscape with its seamless integration of technology and creativity. Here are the 5 standout features of Descript AI that set it apart from other similar AI tools and make it shine among its potential alternatives. 1. Magical transcription. Descript AI waves its digital wand and voila! Your audio transforms into text in the blink of an eye. No more deciphering mumbled words or playing detective with unclear recordings. It's like having your own personal transcription wizard at your service. 2. Seamless editing. Say goodbye to clunky interfaces and hello to editing nirvana. Descript AI's editing features are smoother than a perfectly polished dance floor. Trim, cut, and rearrange your audio and video with the elegance of a seasoned maestro, all without breaking a sweat. 3. Voice cloning. Ever wanted to sound like Morgan Freeman or Oprah Winfrey? With Descript AI's voice cloning feature, the possibilities are endless. Channel your inner celebrity or create unique character voices with just a few clicks. It's like having a voice-changing potion at your disposal. 4. Overdub. Made a mistake in your recording? No problemo. Descript AI's overdub feature lets you seamlessly replace or insert words into your audio, fixing slip-ups like they never even happened. It's like having a time turner for your voice recordings. 5. Collaboration wonderland. Editing with friends has never been more fun. Descript AI's collaboration tools turn teamwork into a delightful adventure. Comment, share, and edit together in real time, creating masterpieces with the camaraderie of a well-oiled team of superheroes. It's like hosting a creative party where everyone's invited to sprinkle their magic dust on your project. Now that you've acquainted yourself with the array of features Descript AI offers, it's time to wield these tools to elevate your content strategy. To navigate this journey seamlessly, let's delve into a comprehensive guide providing you with a detailed overview of instructions. Step 1. Sign up and installation. Go to the Descript website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once signed up, download the Descript desktop application suitable for your operating system from the website. Follow the installation instructions provided by Descript to complete the installation process on your computer. Step 2. Starting a project. Launch the Descript application from your desktop or application menu. Once the application is open, click on the New Project button to create a new project within Descript. Step 3. Importing audio/video. Within your new project, locate the Import button and click on it. Browse your computer's files to select the audio or video files you wish to work with, then click Open to import them into your Descript project. Step 4. Transcribing audio/video. Descript will automatically transcribe the audio content of your imported files. For video files, Descript will transcribe the audio track. Wait for Descript to complete the transcription process, which may take some time depending on the length and complexity of your audio/video files. Step 5. Editing transcription. Once the transcription process is complete, review the transcribed text within Descript. Edit the transcription as needed for accuracy, using Descript's built-in editing tools to make corrections or adjustments to the text. Step 6. Enhancing audio. After editing the transcription, you can enhance the audio quality of your files using Descript's audio editing features. Apply effects such as fades, silence, or background music to improve the overall audio experience of your project. Step 7. Exporting. Once you're satisfied with your project, it's time to export your work. Click on the Export button within Descript to choose your desired export settings, including file format and quality. Once you've selected your export settings, click Export to generate the final audio or video file of your project, ready for sharing or distribution. Now that we've gotten a grasp of Descript AI's features and how to use them, it's time to uncover the answer to the burning question: why Descript AI? In this segment, we'll uncover the unique advantages that make Descript AI a standout choice in the realm of audio and video editing, highlighting what sets it apart from the rest. 1. Time-saving transcription magic. Descript AI waves its digital wand and presto. Your audio magically transforms into text faster than you can say abracadabra. Say goodbye to the tedium of manual transcription and hello to more time for the fun stuff. 2. Editing bliss with a side of whimsy. Navigate through your recordings like a wizard on a quest, wielding Descript AI's intuitive editing interface with the finesse of a master magician. With a flick of your digital wand, trim, cut, and add effects to your heart's content, turning mundane editing tasks into a magical adventure. 3. Collaboration extravaganza. Gather your fellow wizards and witches for a collaborative extravaganza. With Descript AI's real-time collaboration features, you can work together on your projects, casting spells and leaving comments as you go. It's like a magical potion of productivity. 4. Advanced editing spells. With Descript AI, you're not just editing, you're casting spells of creativity. Add fades and background music with the flourish in a wand, or use the overdub feature to seamlessly replace words as if by magic. The possibilities are endless, and the results are spellbinding. 5. Voice cloning sorcery. Unleash your inner sorcerer with Descript AI's voice cloning feature. Clone your own voice or mimic the voices of others, turning your audio projects into a cacophony of magical voices. It's like having a magical choir at your fingertips, ready to enchant your audience with every word. Since you're aware of your strengths and capabilities, it's time to explore the diverse uses of Descript AI. Let's dive into how this powerful tool can be leveraged to enhance your workflow and achieve your goals. 1. Podcast production. Descript AI simplifies podcast production by offering seamless transcription, editing, and collaboration features. Podcasters can transcribe their recordings, edit out mistakes or pauses, and add music or effects with ease. 2. Video editing. Descript AI streamlines video editing workflows by transcribing audio tracks and providing an intuitive interface for editing. Video creators can easily trim clips, adjust audio levels, and add captions or subtitles for accessibility. 3. Transcription for interviews. Journalists and researchers can use Descript AI to transcribe interviews quickly and accurately. This allows them to focus on analyzing the content rather than spending hours transcribing manually. 4. Content creation for social media. Descript AI is ideal for creating engaging content for social media platforms. Creators can repurpose audio or video content, add captions, and optimize it for different platforms, all within a single platform. 5. Narration and voiceover production. Descript AI's voice cloning feature enables users to create professional narrations and voiceovers easily. Whether it's for e-learning courses, presentations, or audiobooks, Descript AI offers a convenient solution for generating high-quality voice recordings. Descript AI offers numerous benefits, but like any tool, it has drawbacks. Here we'll explore 3 potential disadvantages. However, these limitations may not significantly impact its overall utility, as Descript AI remains valuable in various workflows. 1. Cost. Descript AI's subscription pricing model may be prohibitive for some users, particularly those on a tight budget or individuals who require infrequent use of its features. 2. Accuracy issues. Despite its impressive transcription capabilities, Descript AI may occasionally produce inaccuracies, especially with accents, technical terminology, or background noise requiring manual corrections. 3. Learning curve. Mastering Descript AI's full range of features and functionalities may require some time and effort. Users may find the initial learning curve steep, particularly if they are new to audio and video editing software. In conclusion, while Descript AI presents a few drawbacks, its myriad advantages far outweigh any limitations. As a versatile and innovative tool, it continues to revolutionize the way we approach audio and video editing, enhancing workflows and unleashing creativity. Here's an interesting fact. Descript AI's overdub feature not only allows users to seamlessly replace or insert words into audio recordings, but it can also mimic the user's voice, making it appear as if they said the new words themselves. This groundbreaking technology opens up exciting possibilities for content creators and storytellers alike, further solidifying Descript AI's position as a game-changer in the world of media production. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Descript AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.